Guys, it's 2024 and taxes are uncertain. The tax laws are changing. Want to know a tried and proven way to get $80,000 tax deductions this year? Let me introduce you to energy. Yes, good old energy. Oil and gas investments are a truly proven asset class, a true proven investment class that you need to be investing in 2024. The key to investing in oil and gas is by working with a tangible asset expert who's not going to rip you off. I can't tell you countless investors who've come up to me and told me that they've been ripped off by Johnny Bravo come lately, who just took their money, took their investments, went broke, and then they were on the hook for the oil wells. What does oil and gas investments truly entail? That means you have, let's say you have $50,000 or $100,000. You work with a tangible asset expert who invests your money in a well, in an oil well, and there are oil wells everywhere, whether it's Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, you know what the deal is. There's multiple oil wells producing 100 million barrels of oil a day. You put your money in that oil investment, guess what? You invest $100,000, $80,000 of that is at a tax write-off. The key, though, with investing in oil and gas is to invest with a proven commodity, a proven company. The proven companies, the big guys, are going to be working with Marathon, Shell Oil and Gas. The small guys are not going to have accessibility and access to those bigger companies. When we don't have access to those bigger companies, that means we have more fees, more expenses, more taxes that you're going to have to pay. You don't want to deal with that. At our firm, we've advised our high net worth clients who make $1 million a year, have at least a $3 million net worth and make at least between $300,000 and $1 million a year. This is the greatest investment for you. There are other write-offs that you can take advantage of, collectibles, art, but the key tax write-off in 2024 that you need to look at to diversify your portfolio is oil and gas. Mineral rights work in a similar way. And guess what? It's just like real estate. It's just like buying real estate. When you buy real estate, you get a tax deduction called bonus depreciation. You can do the same bonus depreciation strategy with oil wells. Guess what? You qualify as a real estate professional, you do the bonus depreciation strategy under Internal Revenue Code, and then you get the tax write-off from that. In addition to getting those tax write-offs, you can also get 15% automatic write-off from your income produced. So let's say you invest $46,000 in the first year. Not only do you get a return of investment within 36 months, but you also get to write off that income and then purchase more oil wells just like real estate property. This area of the IRS Revenue Code, the Internal Revenue Code, is not as heavily litigated as some other tax write-off strategies like arts and collectibles, like land conservation easements. Oil and gas are a phenomenal, fantastic strategy for this year, 2024. But the key here is to work with a CPA and an attorney and a legal team that knows and has connections to the best tried and proven tangible asset property experts. The oil and gas industry is not going away. Contrary to what the media wants you to believe, contrary to what the news wants you to believe, alternative energy resources aren't working. People now in 2024, more than ever, are using oil and gas. So why not be part of this success story? Why not invest in gas oil wells that are drilling 100 million barrels of oil a day? Now's your chance to get a 15 to 20% rate of return every single year within 36 months, take an $80,000 tax write-off, and build your portfolio. We had a client, Christopher, last year. He had $2 million in a sale profit from his property. He invested that money in a 1031, and guess what? He did a 1031, he invested into an oil well, and now he was able to defer that tax. This is a tax deferment strategy. Get in touch now, 407-990-2002, FitBizCPA.org. We'll do a free 30-minute consultation or analysis and show you just how well oil wells will fit into your portfolio.